They are two words no parent ever wants to hear when their kids are at school. Active shooter. Your thoughts race, spiraling out of control as you fear the worst. But what if there was something your children could use to give them an advantage in a worst-case scenario? This is DefendAPack.
You can't change the world, but you can change how you face it.
It may look like an ordinary backpack, but this is a revolutionary new level of protection to keep your children safe.
It's very comfortable. I can take it to school with me every day, and it makes me feel safe.
This is called DefendAPack, a patented backpack design that can transform into a bulletproof vest in under 10 seconds.
It's lightweight, it's detachable from the backpack, it's easy to put on, and it'll give every teacher and child a fighting chance during an active shooter situation.
Larry James is just an ordinary man who is inspired to make a difference. Watching the terrifying events of the Parkland school shooting unfold live on television with his family, his daughter Madison uttered a few haunting words that led him to take action.
I just looked at the screen and said, how am I ever going to feel safe in school again?
That's when I knew I had to do something to keep her safe.
So Larry began sketching designs and came up with this, a patented bulletproof vest that can hide inside a backpack that's made of 100% ballistic nylon material.
Every kid needs a backpack to take to school. But now as a parent, you can give them that added protection, built right into the backpack to give you peace of mind.
Some bulletproof vests cost upwards of $500 and are bulky to wear. These are under $200 for the classic backpack combo, offering 360 degrees of protection. It houses two bulletproof plates securely against the torso and can be interchanged with different levels of protection to stop handguns, rifles, and even AR-15s and other semi-automatic weapons.
You wouldn't go on a boat or a cruise ship without a life vest, right? So why take a chance with your kids?
To learn more about DefendAPack, just head to the website, defendapackgear.com. You can pay online and have a new vest and backpack shipped right to your door before your child begins the next school year.